Hi, my name is Alicia. I'll be your guide for Unit 8 Underground Cable. An underground cable consists of one or more conductors covered with some suitable insulating material and surrounded by a protecting cover. The cable is laid underground to transmit electric power. Cable is a conductor covered by an insulating medium and protecting layer. Electric power can be transmitted or distributed either by overhead line system or by underground cable system. Advantage: less chance to damage through storms or lightning, low maintenance cost, less chances of fault, not affected by man-made problem like sabotage, strike, etc. Voltage regulation in UG cable system is much better because they have less inductive losses, better general appearance of area compared to OH lines. Disadvantage: initial cost to use cable system is heavy. The cost of joints are more. Introduce insulation problems at high voltages compared to OH lines. Construction of UG cable. Conductor to provide low resistance path power at lower losses. It is made of tin, copper or aluminum in standard form in order to achieve higher flexibility. Insulation to provide insulation between conductor and earth. It is made of PVC impregnated paper, VIR, vulcanized Indian paper. Construction of UG cable. Metallic sheath. In order to protect insulation of cable from moisture, gases and other damaging liquids, metallic sheath is provided. It is made of lead or aluminum. Bedding. Over the metallic sheath, bedding is provided. It is made of fibrous material like jute. The purpose of bedding is to protect metallic sheath from corrosion and mechanical injury due to armoring. Armoring. Over the bedding, armoring is provided. Its function is to protect bedding from mechanical injury during rough handling and laying. It is made of galvanized steel wire or tape. Serving. In order to protect armoring from atmospheric conditions, serving is provided. It is made of rubber or tape. According to voltage, LT cable, lower tension cable or low voltage cable up to 1 kV, that is 1000 voltage. High tension cable or high voltage cable, that is up to 11 kV. ST cable, super tension cable or super voltage cable from 11 kV to 33 kV. EHT cable, extra high tension cable or extra high voltage cable from 33 kV to 66 kV. EST, extra super tension cable or extra super voltage cable from 132 kV and above. On the basis of service, belted cables up to 11 kV, screened cables from 22 kV to 66 kV, pressured cables beyond 66 kV, oil pressure cable 132 kV and 220 kV, gas pressure cable 220 kV and above. On the basis of conductor, single core cable, 2 core cable, 2.5 core cable, 3 core cable, 3.5 core cable, 4 cable, multi-core cable. Straight through joints. The emphasis should be laid on quality and selection of proper cable accessories, proper jointing techniques. The quality of joint in cable should be such that it does not add any resistance to the circuit. The material and techniques employed in joining the cables should give an adequate mechanical and electrical protection the joint under all service conditions. The joints should further be resistant to corrosion and other chemical effects. T-joint. These joints are to be restricted up to 11 kV. These joints are made either using cast resin kits or CI boxes with or without sleeves for PILC cables and cast resin kits for PVC and XLPE cables. The common faults which are likely to occur in ground cables are ground fault. The insulation of the cable may break down, causing a flow of current from the core of the cable to the lead sheath or to the earth. Short circuit fault. If the insulation between two conductors is faulty, a current flows between them. Modal loop test. The connection for this test are relates to the ground fault, relates to the short circuit fault. X equals to Q by P plus Q multiplied by R plus X. Whirly loop test. In this test, we can determine experimentally the total loop resistance instead of calculating it from the known length of the cable and its resistance per unit length. The necessary connections for the ground fault. The treatment of the problem in both cases are identical. Hi, my name is Alicia. With this, you complete Unit 8 Underground Cable. Now you know all concepts related to underground cable. Thank you.